Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. I just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself and my channel. My name is Lauren and this is California Style. This is a channel where I'm going to be doing a bunch of unboxing subscriptions, specifically clothing. I found that for myself, I shopped at the same store over and over again. My closet was filled with exactly the same brand. I never ventured out until one day I started doing a subscription box, and then things started to change. My wardrobe changed, my look at clothing changed, and so I want to be able to do unboxing videos for you guys and share the enjoyment that I get with them, and hope that I can share some of that with you and that you will try subscription boxes. I plan on doing some other fun subscription boxes. There's a bunch out there that even for myself, like I did some research and I have found some that I'm super excited to get in the mail and I cannot wait to share with you. And to kick things off, I've got my very first unboxing video uploaded. I'm gonna put the link below so you can click on that and watch it if you'd like. Comment however you'd like. I look forward to all your feedback. Cut me a little slack though, because this is my first time doing video, so it's gonna be a little bit of a bumpy challenge until I get things like really going smoothly. And if you want to see more, click like and subscribe, and I am looking forward to doing this new fun chapter with you. Thanks everyone, hope you have a great day. Bye.